Hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. It's a rainy day. Oh, and the forecast for the next few days is also quite wet. The rain is getting a bit strong, so I'll head inside. I plan on getting some of the Paua shells that we have here and get them as clean as I can just by soaking them in some solution. Now I got here a few abalone shells, or commonly known here in New Zealand as Paua shells. There are a few spots in this area where Paua can be gathered by diving for it, and I've been lucky enough to have a taste of Paua fritters. They are delicious. When my husband brought some home also, I tried pickled Paua, and they were very nice as well. Anyway, these shells can be cleaned and polished. Yeah, need some to remove this line that build up in the shell, and I'll try to do it today. Then I'll see if I can make a bit of decorative art out of these. There were a few recommendations I gathered from the internet regarding cutting this out or brushing it off with a metal brush or sanding it, but I'll try a bit of homemade solution for trying to dissolve this lime stuffs, because I'm afraid the shells are a bit thin and they might easily break if I try to do some metal scrubbing. But yeah, I'm thinking I could use maybe vinegar, or I'll see what I have. Okay, well, instead of vinegar, I have here a drain cleaner. See if I can use this to soak these shells for a wee while and see how it goes. Yeah. Alright. I'll place this shells here, and see, I even have, you can see some of this will easily dissolve, I'm sure, but hopefully it doesn't really damage the colors, the beautiful colors of the shell. So we'll pour some of this solution in. I'll let it soak for a bit. Third day. Let's see how our if there's any improvement. yeah, it's alright. So this is the status of our soaked Paua shells. It is coming off, but very slowly. So if you guys are in a sort of time constraint deadline, this is not the way to go. You have to be very patient when you're just using wire brush and soaking in drain cleaner. Yeah, well, they are coming off, and you can see a bit of the, see this shiny bit, but yeah, there's still a lot of those primes to go. So yeah, this one is almost but yep, back to soaking. Alright, so it's been over a week now with I've brushed off as much as I can, and the drain cleaner softened it a bit, but yeah, this is the stage where, yeah, it still needs a bit of polishing probably, and also this one, I'm not able to still get them off. But yeah, this one has a big improvement, and this one too. So yeah, that's the stage that I'm at. But yeah, the next video that I'm going to do is I'm going to use this Paua shells to create some decorative art for the house, and I need you guys to subscribe so that you get a notification once I do that. And also, if you like the video, please press the thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching.